Alright guys, I'm doing my first Danscomp unboxing. Most of the stuff is helmets and shin pads, and because I'm going to Camp Lake Owen this upcoming week, so I ordered new parts. It's going to be my first time going, hoping it's fun. So first, take out this shit piece of paper. We've got some knee pads right here, the Fox Titan Sport knee pads with shin guards attached. Then we've got Fly Racing elbow pads with the forearm guards. Right here is the faded Danscomp t-shirt, which I think is the coolest one, except for the yellow one. It's pretty sweet too. We've got some gloves. They're Fly Racing F16 gloves. Then I've got my Fly belt. My mom bought this for me actually because, you know, people sag with their pants, you know, around their ass, you know. So that's how I am, you know. But so I told her if she buys me this sick belt, I'll wear it and try to stop sagging. And this is it right here, the Fly Racing symbol with it's got a Fly sticker here, and then it says Fly Racing right there. So that's pretty sweet. We've got the McNeil half track chain in white. So I mean, here it is. This is my first half link. It was cheaper one, you know, so I bought it. It's actually still pretty sticky even. Came with a sticker, and then it's got instructions. But yeah, there's that. And then we've got the Park chain breaker. It's the CT5 one. My friend actually has this one. It works out pretty well for him with the half link. So I just decided to get this one. And then it's hitting there. We've got two Danscomp Deluxe tubes. More paper. Then I got a cheap tread in case I get another hole in mine, which it's the SVS $15 one off Danscomp, one of the cheapest ones I have, and it only goes up to 60 psi. I mean, it's 2.25, you know, whatever. And then here's my helmet that I had to buy because the camp wouldn't let me ride if I didn't have a helmet. So I mean, this is gonna be really sweet. I got it in white because I got the chain in white, and then I'll show you guys my bike over there in a second. Came with extra pads. We've got pretty sweet sticker right here with like a dinosaur on it saying Prime, or yeah, Prime, and it's white, and that's all it's on, and it just says Prime right there. I mean, I kind of guessed on my size. They have a little sizing chart on Danscomp. You just gotta find it. Only some of the helmets have it on their thing. So, yep, there's that. And I'm pretty sure that's it. So over here, we've got my bike. Most recently parts added is Odyssey Elementary V2 stem. I would have got the V3 from this guy off Craigslist, but I heard the V3 was really shitty because it's got too many cutouts in it and it breaks easy. Odyssey forks, not really sure which ones. Then we got Miracle Blend for rim still. Then a Fly Terria V4 in terracotta color with a white animal seat profile, crank arms, and then we've got Odyssey twisted PCs, and I've got the Rant back rim in blue. I've got the Demolition tread, and and then the premium Refuse Resist with an Odyssey guarded sprocket right there, and then the white chain. Then I've also got a white hub guard laying around somewhere. And yeah, so I mean, it's gonna look pretty sick overall. Camp Lake Owen, I'm hoping it's gonna be pretty sweet. So I mean, here's all the stuff. It's not all organized and shit because I just got home because my parts came. My little sister called me or whatever. But I got parts for sale here too. If anybody wants any, it's Fit Inman 1 frame, Fit Sky High bars, FBM fork, Stolen Convict V3 stem, Shadow Conspiracy pivotal, Fit pivotal or not Fit or yeah Fit stock standard seat. I'm not sure what you call the inside there. Like this is pivotal. I'm not sure what that's called. We've got the Eastern Medusa 23 tooth sprocket with a Fit Inman 1 crank, Fit Inman forks, Fit Inman bars, and a Kink bike fork. I'm not sure which one it is. I don't think it says anything on here yet. It just says Kink Bike Co. Got it from a friend. Added this Kink sticker right here. And that's it. So, I mean, you guys got any questions? Send me a message or comment on the video. I'd be happy to check if I have any posts. But, alright, see ya. Deuces.